I like to introduce myself. My name is Camila Johnson. I'm a woman. I'm not a bad bitch. I'm not a sex symbol. A woman. Yeah, Proverbs 33. Woman. Yeah, that's me. Woman. Let's go. I am woman. Hear me roar.
Hey Kae Butta Babies, it's me, Miss Johnson, here with another episode of Kae'z Chronicles. And as you've seen in the title, I'm here to show you guys how I make vegan style greens. I recognize that in the black community, everybody puts meat up in their greens. Everybody's got turkey necks. They've got the pork feet and everything up in their greens, and that's not the only way we can do this. That's not the only way we can make this happen. Okay, so I'm just here to show you how I make my vegan style greens. With the holidays coming up, this could be an option for those of you who are trying to be more healthy or trying to exempt meat out your recipe. Now, I know, black folks is like, why is she introducing the kale recipe? We don't eat that. Okay, I'm here to help change your perception of kale greens, all right? Because they possess so many immaculate benefits as well. They help, for one, with weight loss. We all trying to lose weight. They help build your metabolism. They help to quicken your cognition. They help with your vision, your hearing, your memory, as well as your blood circulation. They help to detoxify your kidneys, your livers. It helps to relieve the mucus from your lungs. Listen here, kale has benefits and we all need to take part in them. So keep watching and see how I participate in the kale situation, okay? All right, as you can see here, I got a red, yellow, and orange pepper. My greens have been pre-cut, and I also will be using a red onion and avocado oil. I cleanse my vegetables in apple cider vinegar. That is very important. I hope that you guys do the same. You will see all that come off of your veggies, and it'll really change your life. For the seasonings, I'll be using pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, ground cumin, and garlic powder. Yes. Not too much of nothing. I don't need all that MSG and everything else. So we're moving right into the veggie prep. I like to have my veggies chunky. I like to taste my veggies. I don't like them thinly sliced. I like to chunk those things out. And I also cook with my seeds. I'm not going to use the whole head of seeds here, but those seeds that are left on the pepper, yeah, I'm using those. Cooking with pepper seeds have so many nutritional values. For one, they boost your metabolism. They give you energy. They help strengthen your immune system. They cleanse your digestive tract, giving you healthy intestinal function. And they also give you healthy heart. It helps with your heart. So before you throw your pepper seeds away, think about it. And another thing that I do is once I'm done with my veggie prep, I allow my seeds to dry out. I crunch them up in capsules and I take them as vitamin supplements. The benefits are so amazing. You can tell the difference immediately. Yes, look at those colors, baby. Electrify your chakras, okay? We want to eat electric foods, okay? And I don't use green pepper because it's so potent. It kind of takes over the flavor that I'm going for. Next, I'm chopping up my purple onion. And another trick that I do when I'm chopping my onion is I'll add lime juice or lemon juice because the acidic value helps reduce the aroma, which prevents the onion tears. So that's a little trick that I do in case you didn't know. Once my veggies are prepped, I'm going to set my stove for a medium heat, and then I'm going to add in my extra virgin olive oil. Yes. Excuse my pen. You let kids make grilled cheese sandwiches and it's over, okay? Anyway, I'm going to let this get warm. I'm going to add in all of my veggies, and I'm going to let those saute for about 10 to 15 minutes. As my veggies are cooking down, I go ahead and add in my seasonings. I'm very generous with my pink Himalayan salt because I want those flavors to be locked into my veggies. I want to be able to taste what I'm cooking. Just because I don't have meat, that does not mean that I don't want to taste great flavors. Now, in the perfect world, one would tell you how many teaspoons they're using, but I just season until the spirit says stop, okay? Literally. Now that my veggies have been sauteed and seasoned, I'm going to go in and add in some of my kale greens. I'm not going to do any stirring or anything. I'm just going to add them in and cover them up. Now that my greens are cooking down, I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of rosemary. The benefits of rosemary are immaculate. It's amazing for your blood circulation. It helps detoxify the liver. It helps with your eyesight. It helps clear cataracts and mucus from your eyelids, or your eyeballs, should I say. It also helps detoxify the vaginal tract, and as well as it helps your hair grow, it helps your skin glow, and it helps clear mucus from your lungs. Do not sleep on rosemary. So off camera, I went ahead and added some avocado oil now, and I am mixing it up because I'm going to move forward and add in the rest of my kale greens. So I'm just mixing everything up here because basically the dish is done. I'm finished with my greens. I didn't have to do a lot for this recipe. As you can see, it was easy as 1, 2, 3. The total time to cook these greens was about 30 minutes. And my greens are complete. In 30 minutes, they're done. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be bold, be beautiful, be you. Until next time.
I am woman. Hear me roar from the core. Oh my Lord, come in my life and please restore everything that has been taken and been shaken. They've been snaking, trying to break it on my life, but they can't take it. On my knees to my God, praying, please destroy all my enemies, uprooted iniquity. Place my feet on solid ground, don't let me miss a beat.